What is going on, you guys? It's Chris with Patches for the culture, and we just wanted to take a second to show you guys some of these cool car patches that we just made. This patch right here is of the Audi, however you want to say it, the Audi R8. We used like a off brownish type of color right here. This one turned out really good. Got even the disc brake details in there. Next up, we got my personal favorite, the Toyota MR2. This one is the 1989 edition. Check it out, check it out. We put it in that nice red color right here. And lastly, we got the Subaru Impreza for all you Subaru lovers out there. I also like some of the details that we did in this patch as well. As I said before, we used some tatami stitches. We used some satin stitches for the rear mirror details. And we used some tatami stitches, but had the stitches spaced out more to give it the cool shadowy effect, as you can see in here. We're going to be making more car patches, but these are the patches that we have right now that we have made. If you would like to have your car turned into a custom patch, be sure to click the link down in the description box below. We do have a special listing just for custom car patches. These are going to be somewhat larger patches. The width will be about 4 to 5 inches depending on the image that you send us to get your custom car patch made. For the most part, this style kind of turns out the best, this angle, but we also could do full side views. We could do rear views. We can do the front of the vehicle, whatever you will want to do. But be sure to click that link down below so you can get your custom car patch made. This is Chris with PatchBoy, Patches for the culture, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.